guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another face mask Friday. And today we have another little unboxing present for you guys. So yes, this is a order that I'd made back a little while ago, so back in June time roughly, from Morphe. So it is their Pride range, if I'm correct. If I've got the boxes mixed up, I'm going to cry. I have a lot of boxes. But I believe that this is the Pride makeup collection that they've released. I got it during the Pride month, hoping that I would be able to film this and get it out to you during Pride season, but unfortunately technical difficulties happened, so it's gonna have to be now. I mean, the box is a little bit crazy. I think they went a little ham on the poor box, but oh well. So yeah, we're basically just gonna be unboxing this and giving you the swatches of the different products. So I guess we just get into this. Right, let's get my trusty scissors. Easy. Yes. Oh my god, so literally, I just opened it up and you could already just see the rainbow. Oh my goodness. Right, let me move this here. So, we have Better Get World. Oh, I didn't realise it was partially translucent. So this is their like little eyeshadow brush collection. And it's hard to tell on camera, but this is actually like see-through. Although you can kind of see it. I didn't realise it was actually going to be transparent, which is cool. I love that. It's not very large, but like for makeup brushes, it's always good. We've got some eyeshadow brushes, which are always, Jesus, lovely to have. Just whip them all out here. Might as well get them out of the packaging, because why not? So yeah, it's 6 different brushes. You have, you know, your generic blending brush, which, oh, it just feels so good. It's so soft. And I love the like rainbow effects on the like little metal details. A nice flat brush as well for like packing colour on. A nice bigger kind of fluffy packer brush so you can kind of get like a nice base down. Another flat brush, which is a lot more dense. Ooh, that looks like stuff is coming off. But yeah, again, just like to pack colour on, which is lovely. A nice like little dense smudger brush, which you can use to do like your under eyes. And a nice little detail liner brush as well, just so you can really get a nice precise line or any other detail work that you need to do. So I actually do like these brushes because they're a little bit thicker with like the handles, because some of them are like quite thin, so it's a little bit of a, not necessarily a task to work with, but they're just a little bit different. So I've got those. We have the continuous setting spray, because everyone knows it's pretty much my favourite and go-to setting spray is Morphe's ones. So I thought, why not give the Pride version a little bit of a whirl. No idea if this is going to be any different to the normal one. Let's see. I think it's just pretty much the normal one, just branded basically, which is nice. We have the lip gloss as well, which is called Speak Out, which, if I'm correct, has a little bit of like a shimmeriness to it. Yes, loving this packaging as well. Like, this bottle just looks glorious. So yeah, it looks like it's got like a bit of a pinky blue hinge to it, which is nice. Love that. And of course, the last bit is the eyeshadow palette, which is called oh my god, I can't even say it. GLSEN Up. I can't actually remember. I know that is the charity that they work with for this. So it's just 10 shades of gloriousness, basically. Ooh. Oh my god, even the box just looks stunning. Right, let's get up in this gig. Oh, these shades are glorious. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, we've got some really nice colours in there. So you have like just some generic kind of colourful metallic shades, I guess. And then the bottom is more kind of glittery, intense from what it feels like as well. This is very nice because this is just pure rainbow in a pan. Living. That is so stunning though. Hashtag free to be you. Love that. So yeah, that's pretty much all we got from Morphe during that period. That was like the whole range I basically went and ordered myself, which is lovely. So yeah, I think what we'll do now is just do a couple of like swatches, see what the products actually look like. So the only two that we really need to worry about is the lip gloss and the eyeshadow palette, because setting spray you can't really swatch. Right, so let's see. I'm actually going to put this on and just see what it looks like on my like nude lips. Oh, that is really nice. I will give you like a proper close-up in a sec. So yeah, it gives them a really nice, just general shine. But like when you actually get up into it, you can notice like flecks of, I'm trying to see exactly what colours. I see a lot of blue. I can notice some pink, some green, some purple as well. So it's like it is basically just like a rainbow fleck, which is really nice. Like you can pile this on top of something. It does feel a little bit sticky and does transfer a little bit. So you can possibly, not hugely, but you can see a little bit of like shimmer there. So it is a little bit transferring when it comes to any getting downs. But it seems to stay on pretty well. To be fair, I have just applied it and I've just done that rather than like any kind of setting spray on top of it or anything to help it. So that could be why it hasn't had its chance to dry. But I really do like that. I think it's stunning. And of course, time to swatch these beautiful shades. Right, so oh, I might as well do all the shades. Why not? So the first is Keep It Kind, which is the pink shade. Again, these are kind of like metallic-y shades, which is nice. It's very subtle pink. So the next is Blaze a Trail, which is the orange. Again, very like pastel-y, which is nice. Next is the kind of yellow golden shade, which is Shine Hope. Very, very nice. Then we have Inspire Change. Oops, sliding. Then we have Inspire Change, which is the blue shade here. Oh, very nice. Love a good bit of blue. And then we have Accept Everyone, which is the purple shade. Oops, can't do a straight line. Which again, really, really nice shades. So like very pastel-y, which is good. Nothing wrong with a bit of pastel. But I think they'd probably be quite buildable, like if I was to go in and just add more. Yeah, that like intensifies it, and they have like a really nice fleck in the light as well when you kind of hold it right. So yeah, that's just like those first 5 shades there. And then we have the more kind of, yeah, these are definitely glitters rather than metallic eyeshadow. So this is Love Yourself, which is, as you can see, a lot more intense, very glittery. So it's got like a shadow with it, but it's also got like a load of glitter, which seems to do like a little bit of a green reflection. Then we have Be Visionary, which is the kind of blue one, which also kind of looks a little bit purpley. And again, you can see like how it catches the light and kind of changes colour a little bit, which is nice. Again, glitters, you kind of just have to pack them on to kind of get a bit more clearness, or you can apply them a little bit more sparingly and get a not as heavy look basically, so it kind of just adds to it. Next is Live Your Life, which is the green glitter, which is going to go here. Oh, that looks really nice. Again, just like look at the shades and the shimmers. The way they catch the light is just glorious. So that looks like it has a little bit of like blue yellow mix, which is again super, super pretty. Next we have Dream Big, which seems to be kind of a silvery rainbow effect. So let's see. Okay. A little bit harder to see there, but that might again just be my arm being weird. Actually, when I look at it in the light, it looks a lot better than on camera. But again, it just adds a nice little top there. And then finally we have R-E-S-P-C-T, Respect. And it is actually spelled R-E-S-P-C-T. It's not actually Respect, it's R-E-S-P-C-T, which is this one. Oh, I wanted to look at that one going on. That is really nice, because it's kind of like a darker version, and you can literally see the entire rainbow in that. Like, oh my god, I need to get up in this gig. I'm covered in glitter already. Do that again. So yeah, really, really nice colours. I can definitely see myself incorporating this in the future. I wish I had this for when I was doing my Pride series, but I didn't want to film this video until I knew for sure that I was definitely coming back, so I held back on opening this. So it has been sat in my room for so long waiting for me to open it. And I'm so glad that I finally have, because these shades are so like fun. Like, you couldn't create a look with just this. You'd have to, I guess, like use some other shades to kind of create a look, and then just add this as like a little extra topper kind of thing, which is nice. I love that, and it's, you know, a small enough palette that it's compact. You can kind of bring it on the go. Well, I don't think you'd want to bring this on the go, but it's easy to travel with basically. It's not too much. And I also just love this. Like, this makes such a nice lip topper. I'm not a huge lip gloss person, but I definitely could see this becoming something to just add a little bit more definition, because sometimes like a flat look is a bit like, oh, been there, done that, seen that, next. So it's something different and something fun to add to some looks in the future. So keep your eye out, maybe you'll see it again. Of course, you can't go wrong with a good little bit of setting spray. I love this stuff, honestly. Like, bathe me in this. Oh, absolutely divine. And the bottle is just so like beautiful as well. Oh. And of course, let's not forget the brushes. These are incredible from what I've seen. Obviously, I haven't actually tried them. I want to savour the trying, but they feel really nice quality. I mean, I love Morphe brushes because they are just so good with quality and nice with price as well, because sometimes you can find like buying certain brushes is just ridiculous pricing, but these always have like a really generous price to them. And the bag is cute as well. Not that I need any more makeup bags, I have loads. Right, well anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you did enjoy this video. I'm trying not to get glitter everywhere. I am going to have to clean myself up in a second. But yes, make sure that you are checking down below. If the products are still available, I will be linking them down below. If they are not, I am very, very sorry for the delay with this. Blame Apple if you haven't seen that video already. But yeah, thank you again for watching, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.